Investing in yourself increases your confidence. The better you feel about yourself, the more confidence you will have, and so the more you will be able to progress through life in a positive and meaningful way. Investing in yourself demonstrates that you think you are worth it and that you have value in your life. One thing you should remember in your life that the most important investment you will ever make in you. When people think of investment, their minds will go straight to shares, as funds, property, and business. These are the areas in life that people tend to place real value on when it comes to investing in short terms for long-term gain. The reason generally is the people value wealth and material possessions above everything else. For many, it's a way of showing their worth. Other people can see how far they have come. Now question arises that what it means to invest in yourself. You are the only person who is ever really going to invest in you. There will be people around you who will support you, maybe help you out financially and materially, who will look after you and love and respect you. Number one, invest in health. This really is crucial area that you need to invest in, and yet so many people don't do enough. Think about it. Without your health, what do you really have? Health gives you so much. The ability to go about your day, doing all the things that you need to do. Your health gives you freedom. It gives you joy, mobility, a job, prosperity, and ability to travel. Number two, education and learning. Many people believe that learning and education finish at school. That you should continue to learn and educate yourself every day for you to grow and develop as you get older. Number three, developing good habits and breaking away from bad habits. This is an investment that can pay dividends in so many areas of your life. Developing good habits keep you focused and centers on where you are going in life and who you are becoming. Take exercise, for example. This is a good habit to develop and is one that will keep you fit and healthy. It will help you prevent serious disease as well as keep your mind fit and healthy. Breaking bad habits such as eating the wrong food, smoking or drinking too much will again improve your overall health and well-being. I explained 10 reasons why you should invest in yourself. Number 1. Investing in yourself increases your confidence. Number 2. Self-investment can build upon your current strong points. Number 3. It can give you opportunities to make important connections. Number 4. It helps you keep your mind stimulated and in good health. Number 5. Self-investment can help you deal with difficult times in the future. Number 6. Investing in yourself can keep you flexible and adaptable. Number 7. Self-investment offers potential for career advancement. Number 8. Self-investment can help you reach your goals faster. Number 9. It can help you keep up to date with the latest advancement in your field. Number 10. Investing in yourself keeps you firmly focused on your most important goal. Remember that when you adopt the attitude that the most important investment you will ever make is in yourself, then you will begin to make yourself a priority in your life and you will begin to see opportunities happen and goals reached.